Hey guys, Mike Hanselman, owner of Small Arms Pistol.
Ten squats.
Three, 5, 1, 3. One hit. One hit. $18.83, 2 misses. One miss. Firearm, shoot the A-zone target 2 times from strong side barricade. Ow, that hurt! Holster, grab the bag. Now he's sprinting. He's getting over here, going with 10 squats. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unholster, weak side barricade. A-zone target again. All hits with a time of 38.84.
That's slow.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A-zone hits. Holster, 10 squats. No, 5, I lied, 5 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A-zone hits. Holster, back drag. Headshot. Just hop.